I don't know how to cook, mga dearest friend dyan, mga anakis. I know only how to eat, but I don't know how to cook. Here guys, I have so many friends. I have so many restaurants around in my house. It's an Indian restaurant. Almost every day, we are going to the restaurant and have food. Fern cooking another banana for you. Ayan, siya cooking, mega love shout out guys sa nakapin. Palablab natin guys sa nakapin. Let's go. Ayan, siya cooking is from India as well. Siya cooking, okay, bye-bye ma'am. My child is school time. Yes, siya cooking, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care, siya me cooking. Mega love shout out. Thank you for joining us, siya cooking. Thank you, see you again in the next round. Ayan, 3 minutes more guys. I have to go as well. Because I already reached 3 hours in my live stream. So, see you in the next round, mga my dearest there. Ayan, Firm Cooking, mega love shout out. Another banana sa imo, Firm. Oy, Firm Cooking, shalom. Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you, Siya Cooking. Love you. I have so many friends from India, guys. So many. Very tasty, guys. India foods, very tasty. Ayan, Firm. Another banana for you, Firm. And Siya Cooking. Take care and see you again. Ayan, Siya Cooking. Another watch sa imong video. Last call sa imong video, Siya Cooking. I will leave a comment.
Why are you sitting? You sit my bed here.
Where?
My bed here.
I don't want.
You don't wanna go.
Here, because it's so nice to friend.
So nice friend. I got friend. Lola by friend.
Mm.
He spelled the small friend or a big friend.
Oh, so many friends already.
How much you mean? 1,000.
No.
Ayan, Siya Cooking. Watching your video. Lovely. Very lovely, ma'am. Love you too. Last call for you, Siya Cooking. I'm watching your video, ha? Sa imuhang Maharashtrian style. Maharashtrian style. Maharashtrian style. Palablab guys sa nakapin. Let's go tayo. Let's go sa nakapin. Ayan, malapit na tayo mag-end. Mega love shout out. Counting kimbot na lang guys. Few seconds na lang. Thank you so much guys sa ating nanandalo sa ating live stream. Thank you so much Firm Cooking. Ayan, Siya Cooking. Thank you so much. Puro cooking guys. All the Indian of my friends, all the content of my friends from India, all the content guys are cooking content. Because India is very famous of food, cooking food. Thank you so much, mega love shout out. Mostly of the Indian people guys, all my India people, their content are foods cooking. cooking about foods. I'm very hungry now. Shala, mega love shout out. Siya Cooking, ingat ka po dyan. Take care po. Ayan, mag-end na po ako dyan guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much. God bless po everyone. Ayan, everyone who are coming to my live stream. Thank you so much. Very lovely people. Thank you so much for supporting Rose Journey. Thank you everyone. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Lahat po kayo dyan guys, Peri Bike. Where are you now, Peri Bike? Ayan, palablab guys sa nakapil. Let's go. And thank you so much guys. I have to end my live stream. Thank you so much for the next round. Love you everyone guys. Bye-bye. Bye.